Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best single monitor arm wall mounts available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to maximize your workspace, improve ergonomics, and enhance monitor flexibility, this video is for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Wally Computer Monitor Wall Mount. Designed for monitors between 17 to 32 inches. This mount supports up to 22 pounds and offers a gas spring mechanism for smooth adjustments. The standout feature here is its full adjustability with a plus 70 degrees, minus 45 degrees tilt, 90 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation, allowing you to switch between landscape and portrait modes effortlessly, whether you're working or gaming. You'll appreciate how easily this mount adapts to your needs. In terms of design and build quality, the Wally monitor arm is constructed from durable aluminum, giving it a solid feel while remaining lightweight. Its heavy-duty wall plate is compatible with both brick and wood walls, so installation options are flexible. The package includes detailed instructions and mounting hardware, making setup straightforward. While the Wally mount performs well, it falls slightly short in terms of weight capacity and compatibility with larger monitors compared to other options on this list. However, its ergonomic benefits and ability to free up desk space make it a strong choice for smaller monitors. Pros include its affordability, adjustable angles, and solid construction. Cons are limited to its maximum weight capacity and slightly dated design. Ideal for users who need a reliable, budget-friendly monitor arm for standard-sized displays. At number 4, we have the Mount Pro Single Monitor Wall Mount, a fantastic option for monitors ranging from 13 to 32 inches and weighing up to 17.6 pounds. Its advanced gas spring system ensures smooth, flexible adjustments, passing a rigorous 10,000 cycle test for durability. The arm extends up to 20.4 inches and offers plus 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swivel, and full 360 degrees rotation, giving you plenty of versatility for finding the perfect viewing angle. The build quality is impressive, with a metal construction that feels sturdy and reliable. Mount Pro also includes a detachable cable management system, helping you keep your workspace tidy. Installation is simple and supports both wood and concrete walls, though it's worth noting that drywall installation is not recommended without additional anchors. This mount is ideal for those who need a compact and flexible solution for smaller screens. While it excels in adjustability and build quality, the Mount Pro arm's weight capacity is slightly less than some competitors, limiting its use for heavier monitors. Additionally, it's not compatible with curved screens, which might be a drawback for gamers. Overall, the pros are its advanced gas spring system, smooth adjustments, and sleek design, while the cons include limited weight support and compatibility. Perfect for users seeking a minimalist, space-saving solution for smaller screens. Taking the third spot is the Montech Single Monitor Wall Mount, which supports both flat and curved screens between 17 to 32 inches and weighing up to 19.8 pounds. This model boasts a mechanical spring system for smooth adjustments, offering plus 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation. Its arm extends up to an impressive 21.7 inches and retracts to just 4 inches, making it versatile for both compact and spacious setups. Montech's design is robust, featuring high-quality steel and aluminum construction for long-lasting durability. Its upgraded spring arm ensures stability and reduces wobbling, a feature that stands out for those working on detailed tasks or gaming. The integrated cable management system keeps wires neat, while installation is straightforward, supporting wood, brick, and concrete walls. The Montech mount shines in flexibility and build quality, but is slightly heavier and bulkier compared to other models on this list. Additionally, its mechanical system may require periodic adjustments over time. Pros include its support for curved screens, extended arm reach, and durable build, while cons are its heavier weight and slightly more complicated adjustment mechanism. This model is perfect for users who need a versatile mount for both work and entertainment. In second place is the Bondtech Monitor Wall Mount Arm, which is compatible with screens between 13 to 42 inches and supports up to 19.8 pounds. Its gas spring technology allows for smooth and silent adjustments, with tilt, swivel, and rotation options to suit ergonomic needs. This mount stands out for its compatibility with larger monitors and its space-saving design, folding flat against the wall when not in use. The Bondtech arm features sturdy metal construction that ensures long-term reliability, making it a great choice for heavier setups. Its concealed cable management system keeps wires organized, and installation is simple, requiring only 3 steps. This mount supports a variety of VESA sizes, including 200 by 200, making it versatile for different monitor types. While Bondtech excels in durability and adjustability, its tilt angle is slightly limited compared to other models, which may affect viewing angles for certain setups. Additionally, its design is bulkier than some competitors. Pros include compatibility with larger screens, durable construction, and smooth gas spring adjustments, while cons are its limited tilt angle and bulkier design. Ideal for users with larger monitors who need a reliable and ergonomic solution. Taking the number 1 spot is the Huanuo Computer Monitor Wall Mount, a premium option that supports monitors between 22 to 35 inches and weighs up to a generous 26.4 pounds. This mount is built for versatility, offering plus 35 degrees minus 30 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swirl, and full 360 degrees rotation. Its gas spring core system ensures smooth height and angle adjustments, relieving neck and back strain during long hours of use. The design is robust yet sleek, featuring alloy steel and aluminum construction. The Huanuo mount is compatible with both flat and curved screens, making it a standout choice for gamers or professionals who use ultra-wide monitors. Its integrated cable management system keeps your space tidy, and the arm folds against the wall to save space when not in use. Installation takes less than 10 minutes, with support for wood and concrete walls. What sets Huanuo apart is its exceptional weight capacity and smooth adjustability, making it ideal for larger monitors and heavier setups. However, it's slightly pricier than other options, and its bulkier design may not suit smaller workspaces. Pros include its high weight capacity, smooth adjustments, and compatibility with curved screens, while cons are its price point and size. This is the perfect choice for users seeking premium performance and ergonomic comfort for larger monitors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.